Special request to all the girls from north, south, east and west. From your body look good and you know you have the God bless. Run quiet.
My eyes can see all the tragedy. Can you believe it? Yeah. The poverty all around me. I'm down on my knees, Lord. Lord, I know you're out there somewhere. It's here, I pray.
We are the servants of God, like we see in the scriptures. If you look, it ain't hard today, they in it for riches. But it ain't going down like that. The reason I bust back. Truth is a pistol, like Corey Red, I'ma stay with the gat. So many issues unaddressed. It's more to a life being in Christ than just being blessed. What about holiness, huh? What about sin? Hey, listen, Satan dirty, he ain't your friend. Now you gon' miss it if you're looking for a demon with horns. The last time you saw him, he was in apple bottoms and bones. And so my sister struggling, he's always fashioning his paper. Straight to hell about the weight of the bed. He wants to take you, don't let him break you. Turn your heart to your maker, give Jesus a try. I'm a witness that he can save you. Don't let him rape you, cause your fate is eternal. Live now so you can live again. These words are eternal, my prayer.
My eyes can see all the tragedy. Can you believe the pain in this world? Pain in this world. The poverty all around me, reaching my boys and my girls. I don't understand all this hatred and greed. No. Out there somewhere, and this world is in need.
It's like a modern day Sodom, feels like I'm President Gomorrah. Every day that I breathe is getting harder to ignore it. The music, the movies, all the signs says it's soon. It's a spiritual decline. So we headed for doom. From men with men to women marrying women to orgies with teens. How can we continue living thinking that God is not gonna answer? So like Elijah with fire, I pray he answer. Tear this nation to pieces, bring us back to our knees. Revival is what we need if we ever gon' see. Man is dead spiritually. That means he's the brave God, hating and needing peace. So I offer Jesus, the one who bled to redeem us. What kind of love is this that he was willing to bring? Is it please Yahweh to crush him? No human hand could have touched. Yeah, he allowed it all just to answer the fall.
My eyes can see all the tragedy. Can you believe the pain in this world? Yeah, the poverty all around me, reaching my boys and my girls. Reaching my boys and my girls. My nieces, my nephews, and my cousins. I don't know why. Out there somewhere, and this world is in need.
Our Father which art in heaven, I pray you ride for me, Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Yes, he died for me, this world's insane. My heart pains for thy coming, death knows my name. Let it rain, cause I'm not running, this is not a game. So I strain, it's not funny. Watching preachers pimp your name for the fame and the money. I'm a streamer till my lungs collapse. Oh, God's coming, so if death is near, this be my last prayer. Our Father which art in heaven, I pray you ride for me, Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Yes, he died for me, this world's insane. My heart pains for thy coming, death knows my name. Let it rain, cause I'm not running, this is not a game. So I strain, it's not funny. Watching preachers pimp your name for the fame and the money. I'ma scream until my lungs collapse. Oh, God's coming, so if death is near, this be my last prayer.
My eyes can see all the tragedy. Can you believe the pain in this world? The poverty all around me, reaching my boys and my girls. We will live all this hatred and greed. Lord, I know you're out there somewhere, and this world is in need.
Paul says, don't trouble me.
What will we do?
I'm branded. I bear the marks of a slave. I'm a bond slave of Jesus Christ. I've no will of my own. I've no rights of my own. There's an old hymn established on that very theme. Let my hands perform his bidding. Let my feet run in his ways. Let my eyes see Jesus only. Let my lips speak forth his praise. All for Jesus. All my being's ransom powers. All my thoughts and words and doings. All my days and all my hours. This man is no professional preacher. Preaching is not a profession, it's a passion. Man can't preach with passion, he shouldn't preach